Alright, I'm making a video because there's been some debate lately over, the usual shit. What's the best way to learn Japanese? What's the best method or whatever? And, as usual, some people say it can only be done a certain way. Some say another way. So which way should you use? There's a lot of debate around that, and I thought someone actually knowledgeable about this fucking language should step up and clear it up once and for all. And as I'll demonstrate, it's super simple, super easy. So here are some of the methods you might hear about. People often advocate for these. This one is AJAT, Old Japanese All the Time. Cool website, I guess. This one is Anime Card, which comes with very long-winded, useless information. If you have time for these. This one has a bunch of resources put together by randies on the internet. Quite messy indeed. And then you have this Refold website that comes with super shady screen caps of soccer accounts making wild claims about its supposed efficacy. Whatever, all this shit is useless. You do not trust these people. These people are frauds. These people are charlatans. All you need to learn Japanese is a fucking book. Pick any fucking book you like. You might want to get a sheet of paper as well. And then you could get yourself a dictionary. You could get yourself a kanwa jiten if you want to get fancy. I like to use this one. But a regular fucking paper dictionary is also quite useful, right? And just this one is quite good. Okay, so here's what you do. You open the book to read it. Let me use my other hand. Okay, what's this about? First page, hold on. It's hard to do this one-handed. Okay, so first page. Here's the first word is this, right? Shoujo. So now I'm like, okay, what's, let's say I don't know this word. I'll close my book, I'll take my dictionary, and I go looking for that word. Which, you need to learn the alphabet. So I'm kind of looking for she. I have found, she here. So I had my, and then kind of get to shore here. So now that I got to shore, I need to kind of find, she, because it's shoujo. Oh, sorry, I had my finger in the camera. So here I find, shoji. So I'm quite close. I'm getting closer to the word I'm looking for. And here it is. Shoujo. Can you see it? And it means hajime no sho, introduction. You have it in English as well if you need English, So this is the best way to find the words you don't know. Just use a fucking dictionary. You don't need any of those fancy methods. So now that you have, seen the word in the dictionary, you need to fucking write it on a sheet of paper. So I like to get fancy with it. Where's my pen? Okay. So, let's pick a color. I think this blue is good enough. So let me mix it. A really deep sort of blue color, kind of cool blue. And now I'm kind of looking for the word. Obviously, I'm fluent in Japanese, so I know how to write shoujo, but for the purpose of this video, let me show you how I would do for what I don't know. So I kind of look at the words, look at the characters, and kind of try to draw them. So I'm starting and like, oh, how was it written again? So let's go look. Obviously I know how it's written. I'm 100% fluent in Japanese, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just kind of showing you how I would do with a word I don't know. So I'm really looking at it, and I'm like, okay, so next stroke is probably this, something like that. Good. And then jo would be something like this. Right, good enough. And now that I've done that, I should probably write the alphabet. So shoujo. Right, very good. And I write the definition. So it means intro, duck. I'll put a little bit of red in there. Red plus blue equals, cool grey, I guess. Introduction. There you go. And if you really want to, really want to add that, you could add the pitch accent information there. If you want to, obviously, I don't know if that's correct because it's not written in my dictionary, but there you go. Stop using these shitty fucking methods you find on the internet. This is the best method you could use. There you go. Alright, now that I have written this word on a sheet of paper, I need to put it up on my wall, which I will do right now, using these sticky gum that I've put on the wall. It's not really working properly. Let me sort of, yeah, no, okay, yeah, there you go, fixed. Oh shit, and let me pick it back up. I'll sort of manage. Sorry about that. Yeah, so there you go. This is kind of the best way to learn Japanese. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow if I get more subscribers, more views. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to sort of ring the bell and do the long cards as well. They're very good, the long cards.